this is Christy Reyes from MiraCosta College, and this video is a review of present perfect verb tense. When people ask us, how long have you ever, or how many times have you, they are asking us about past experiences up to the current time. This is when we use present perfect. There are three uses for present perfect we're going to cover. The first use is for an action or state that started in the past and is still true now. For example, I have worked here for a long time or since 2004. I have lived in California for 5 years or since 20 years ago. I have been married for 10 years or since 2010. As you can see, present perfect follows this formula. Subject plus have or has plus a past participle. If the subject is singular, we will use has. If the subject is I or a plural subject, we will use have. The past participles. For regular verbs in the past tense, the past participle is the same as the ed form, such as talked, worked, studied, learned, trained, etc. For irregular verbs, we just need to memorize the past participles. They are quite different. So with this first use of present perfect, we use the words since or for. Pause the video and decide if you think the word since should be used in front of this time expression, or if you think the word for should be used. With this first use of present perfect, there are these two key words, since and for. Use since plus a specific point in the past when the action started, and use for with a duration or length of time. Other key words for present perfect are never, which means not at any time in the past, including now, with the sentence, I have never seen such a beautiful sunset. The word ever, which means at any time, including the present, it's usually only used in questions, as in, have you ever ridden a horse? Just a reminder about adverb placement. With two verbs, such as an auxiliary and a main verb, place the adverb between them. As in the sentence, I have never eaten sushi before. The second use for present perfect is for indefinite past action, when the time is unspecified, unstated, or unknown. Here are a couple of examples. She has surfed before. She has attended college. With these sentences, we know that these actions happened in the past, but the past time when they happened is not stated or is just not important. So here are some more keywords for present perfect. Before, at some time in the past behind the present time. I've been to San Diego before. Already, before now, I have already finished my homework. And not yet, I haven't finished my homework yet. For the third use of present perfect we will go over in class is for repeated past action, something that's happened many times in the past. Here are some examples. I have visited my home country 3 times since I moved to the U.S. I have eaten at that restaurant every month this past year. I have exercised at the gym every day this week. So we aren't giving specific times, but we are saying that this action happened many times in the past. So the key words for this third use of present perfect are several times, many times, a few times, a couple of times, a lot of times. Again, we use this for indefinite or repeated past actions. Here is the form one more time and some questions for review. Please bring your questions to class and we can discuss then. Thank you for watching.